Right, so just a very quick video showing you how people make caltrops out of weld mesh. So you could use whatever size as long as you can cut it, and all they do is basically cut a section out so it resembles a cross. Right, now I'm hoping you can see this. So you've got your weld mesh. Two of them. I bent over like that. Now the other two, I just bent back the other way. I've got another one on there already. And no matter how you throw them, one of the spikes always faces up. You can make that out of really thick weld mesh if you can get it. I've seen people do these where it's 2 bits of wire wrapped round each other, but if it's welded it's better.